Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniela. If you're new today, we're going to do an unboxing. I'm currently subscribed to Boxycharm and I got last month, August, and today, September. And I just got my box. I got it in yesterday, but I couldn't pick it up from my P.O. box, so I picked it up today. I did film for August, but I haven't posted it, so. But anyways, disregard that. Today we're doing September's, and it's here. Super excited. So we're gonna open this up. When you open it up, this is what it looks like currently. So today it is the Boxycharm All Access. So that's that. This is that. So yeah, I'm excited. So first thing that is in this box is a Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. And that retails for $52. That's insane. It's this little thing, super small, and it retails for $52. So I'm excited to see how that works, because I did see that it's for hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin's natural occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. I currently get like really red. That's just me, I guess. Next up, we have the Moda Pro by Royal and Langnickel. Sorry if I said it wrong. 5-piece deluxe eye kit, which is this. Super cute. I like it. And then that's that. That retails for $27.95. Damn. So, you know, just there, you literally just buy yourself a Boxycharm. And you're getting in the Dr. Brandt thing. Next up, we have Hank and Henry, sorry. It's a black liner. Looks like this. Super cute as well. Super cute packaging. That retails for $20. So, this is a Boxycharm thing right there. The $1 Billion Brows. I've never tried this. I mean, disregard, I've never tried anything in here. So, I'm super stoked to try out new things from this box. So yeah, that's a good thing. So I'm gonna try that out. If it's not my color, I might just give it to my mom or like anybody that suits them. I have pretty dark brows, as you can see. I have no makeup on either, so they had 3 palettes that either you could get in the Boxycharm. I was super excited to receive this one actually, which is the Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping Palette. And so yeah, I got this one and I'm super excited. My friend Amanda, she received it as well and she showed it to me yesterday and I was like, oh my god, that's the one that I want. And guess what? I got it. So yes, this is the Tarte. This is what that looks like. It is so beautiful. The packaging is amazing. And it looks like this. Super cute. And it also kind of smells like chocolate, or it might just be me, but I feel like it smells like chocolate. It also has a mirror, but I'm not going to show that because we don't want to show that. I'm in the process of moving, so there's a mess in the back, so excuse if I don't show the mirror, but it does have a mirror. Like, has a mirror. The same. Super cute. There's that. So I'm excited to create some good looks with all this stuff. We got brushes for the palette, you know, an eyeliner, a brow pencil. What more do you want? And a mask. For, I think the total retail, well, I mean the price of the box was probably like $165, I want to say. So it's really good value for the $21 box. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe and comment down below to let me know which one was your favorite product. If you tried any of them out, let me know. I'm curious to see if you've tried them. So if you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.